everybody, welcome to my channel. This is going to be an unboxing video, but it's going to be different from most of my unboxing video here because this one is what I collected from a physical watch shop. It's not something that was sent to me, so it's going to be different because I've already looked at the watch, so I'm now sharing the unboxing experience with you guys. So just hang on here. So this, as you can see, it's a Rado. It's my first Rado. Move this aside, and it comes with this very nice cardboard box, which is, I would say, very typical in a lot of watches these days. And the inner box is Rado box, and it comes with a microfiber cloth, which is quite nice. And this is the box of the watch. And when I open it up, ta-da, it's blank. Alright, so where's the watch? Alright, let me keep all this, and I'm gonna show you where the box actually comes in when I collected it from the watch shop, because I needed to pre-order this because they don't have this in stock. So this is the box that the watch comes in. It's an underwhelming box, but no doubt I think it's a shipping box. Alright, so the watch is here, and this is the warranty card. So how am I gonna do this? If I take out, then straight away you can see, but anyhow, yep, I guess it's okay. So this is the watch, and then this is the price tag. It's a Rado. Open this up. So this is, I would say, a regular or a typical shipping watch box that the watch companies usually ships watches to the ADs and the boutiques and all that. So I'm glad that the shop allowed me to take this back. Usually they will try to hold it because they are afraid that we'll resell this, we'll be like scalpers and all that. But unfortunately, this watch is not very popular here in Malaysia, or I'm not sure, but this piece here, if you can see by now, it's a Rado Captain Cook. It's a 1962 Rado Captain Cook, and it's supposed to be a limited edition with I think 1962 units, but somehow it's still available even like after more than a year this was launched. I guess this was launched in 2019, and it's called 1962 because the model is paying homage to the original Captain Cook that was launched in 1962 by Rado. And this piece here, the model here, it's very similar to the original 1962. It shares the similar dial color, the similar sunburst dial, and the size is slightly bigger than the original version that was I think 35 millimeters, and this one comes in at 37 millimeters. And everything from the dial color, from the oversized arrow hour hand and all that, and to the red font on the date wheel, it's exactly the same as the original Captain Cook that was launched in 1962. And it comes with this very nice leather strap that comes with a signed Rado buckle, and the leather is quite thick and substantial, and you can see it has a sign crown with the Rado anchor, and yes, the Rado logo can move around freely or not so freely inside the watch dial. What else do we have here? This one is a special limited edition package, so it comes with a whole lot of accessories here. So let me move everything to one side. So this is the box for the accessories. Very nice matching Rudder box. Open up, and we are greeted by this paper packaging, and yes, it comes with a watch roll. I think it's a very nice watch roll. The leather feels good. Unlike most of the more affordable watch options out there. I believe this one, it's a genuine leather. I'm hoping I think it's a genuine leather. I don't know. So yep, open up and we are greeted by several other items. I'm not sure how should I place this, but we have a very nice Rado spring bar tool. Okay, so I'm gonna put this aside. I'm not sure what is this. I think this yeah, they actually give like extra spring bars. Oh, good. And this is an extra set of Milanese strap that can be attached on the watch. Let me just try to focus a little bit here. Yeah, because it's wrapped in plastic, so it's a little bit hard for my phone to focus, but it's come with this sign Rado buckle, and it's not quick release spring bar, it's a normal spring bar. And what else do we have? We have a NATO strap. Oh, it's a very nice, I think it feels like a seat belt nylon kind of NATO strap, but instead of having metallic keepers, it comes with, I don't know, leather keeper, or yeah, I'm not too sure if it looks like, or looks and feels like leather, so it's quite nice. And they have this leather backing for the watch holes to prevent the nylon from what you call fraying up. And it comes with a very nice Rado buckle as well. So there you have it. This is the unboxing video of my newly acquired Rado Captain Cook. So I will try to wear this watch for a while, maybe a month or two, and I will come back with a full review. So if you do not want to miss that video, please subscribe to my channel, and you can also follow me on my Instagram at gfw_watch for more watch pictures. Till then, I will catch you guys in the next video. Bye bye.